Hi everyone, my name is Cameron Bone and today I'm going to explain how you can buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies here on AVA Trade. Now AVA Trade are one of the highly recommended brokers we look at here on Snipe the Trade. I would definitely check them out. They're excellent for trading Bitcoin, as you can see, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple and Dash. Now, as you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they've had a huge move this year and we want to look at Ripple, Dash and Litecoin because I think there's certainly excellent opportunities there with these currencies. Especially Ripple. At the moment, Ripple is trading about 17 cents a coin, which is dirt cheap compared to Bitcoin, which is, yesterday when I looked, it was over $3,500. So you can just imagine if we see Ripple get to that sort of price. So AVA Trade, one of the best brokers that we recommend here at Snipe the Trade. If we click here, the new promotions, this is something that they've just started. So you can see if you deposit £500, you'll get an extra £150 deposited into your account. So that in itself is, it's an excellent offer. The other thing I want to bring up very quickly is, if I can find it, is the regulation page. Now, every broker you use must be regulated. AVA Trade are no different. We've done our research for you, and they are, excellent. And with regards to what they trade, so they trade a lot. They offer you a lot of assets, which is brilliant. So FX, which most people offer you FX, CFDs as well. So you can trade stocks, online CFD stocks, cryptocurrency. We'll come back to that in a moment. Gold and metals, oil and energies, ETFs. ETFs is great because you can obviously get exposure to certain markets without actually having to trade that individual market itself. Treasuries, indices and agriculturals. Now, cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrencies is a really exciting time at the moment. I don't know if you guys have followed any of the markets. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. The first one I just mentioned then, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they've gone through the roof this year. And I can't help but say, but it's only a matter of time before some of the rest follow. You've got, as you can see here, Litecoin, Dash, Ripple. What we'll do today is I'm going to show you exactly how to open an account with AVA Trade, how to deposit money into AVA Trade, and then what we'll do a little bit of analysis. We'll do it on Ripple and Dash, and just to see if there's any trading opportunities. Now, just before I show you how to sign up with AVA Trade, I just wanted to show you Snipe the Trade down here. So AVA Trade is one of the brokers that we recommend. If you come down here and choose a new broker, you can see these are all the ones that we recommend. So I'd come on here, then click Visit Site, and then this will get you to this page here. So you can see Bitcoin here. I mentioned it previously, cryptocurrencies. At the moment, they're a really exciting prospect. To open an account, you go Trade Bitcoin Now. And tick where, and then we'll see all the details here. So if we go, I'm going to type all my details in. Okay, so once you've filled in that sheet, you then come to this one here. So this one asks for your date of birth, your address, your experience, and then password. And then you can decide here what platform you're going to use. Now, AVA Trader are an excellent broker. They prefer to use MT4, so we're going to use MT4 with it. MT4 is an excellent trading platform used by hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people around the world. Lots of professionals use MT4, so it is what we're going to do, and it's going to be the platform that I use to show you how to take a trade. So if we click that, and it's going to be in pounds when we do this, and then just click Next Step. Right, the next page is a little bit about your background. So what you need to do is explain what you do. So what's your occupation, how much do you earn, how much are you worth? Because this is basically what they're trying to do, guys, is they're trying to make sure that you're not going to blow your savings. It is important that you're only spending what you can afford. So how you're going to deposit it and how you heard about them. Click here and then click Submit. Right, you can see I've now entered into my account. So very easy. The process, just answer a couple of questions and we've created our own account. So you've got your details here. You can see it's a real account. Your personal details, you can update them. This is how we'll deposit. We'll do that in a moment. Any documents you need to upload and how to withdraw your funds. So as I mentioned, I'm using MT4. You can download the platform here. I've already done it. Very quick and easy, like downloading anything from the internet. So you click download, in fact let's do it, and you can see it just downloads to here. Right, so we're going to open up MT4 now. So hopefully some of you guys will have seen MT4 before. What we've got here, we've got the symbols that we want to trade. So at the moment I've got a couple of the major currencies. I've also got all of the cryptocurrencies because these are the ones I'm really interested in at the moment. Down here on the navigator is where you can add your indicators and anything else. Then at the bottom here, this is where your trades show, your account history and everything like that. Here is where we'll do our analysis, and we will have a look at Ripple. Let's have a look at Ripple. So we're on a 30-minute chart at the moment. You can see the last 30 minutes, Ripple sold off. What we will look to do is we'll try and take a trade on this once we've deposited. So now we're going to go and give you a quick guide about how to deposit your money into this account, and then we'll look to take a trade. Right, now guys, we're going to go through the simple process of depositing your money into your real account. So you've got a few options. You've got deposit here and deposit here. So click one of those, and then we can see exactly how we want to do it. So you can either do it via Visa or wire transfer. There's a minimum amount of £100. You can see this is the account we're depositing into. You can obviously change this to however much you want to put into the account, and then we've got our credit details here. So I'm going to put in £500 just for the moment, just to give you an example, guys. And then obviously I'm not going to show you our credit card details, but it's very simple. You fill it in here and then you press deposit. So I'm going to do that now, but I'm going to stop recording and I will come back once we've pressed deposit. Right guys, so I've entered all my card details and then I just press deposit. You can see we're depositing at the moment. So I've just received an email from AVA Trade. Just to complete this deposit, they are requiring a few details, which is understandable. You know, it shows that their security checks are excellent. So all we need is some sort of photo ID, a passport, a driving license, something like that, and just a recent utility bill just to prove that that is the address that we're from. So there is an upload button. You can see here, here's the upload documents, and then once you've uploaded that, the money will then be deposited into your account. So I'm going to go away and do that. I will be back shortly and we'll look to take some trades on Ripple. As promised guys, we're here looking at Ripple on MT4. As I did mention, it's one of the most exciting currencies out there at the moment, or cryptocurrencies out there. Today I'll put 0.1 in and we'll look to buy that. So we just need to decide where we're going to put our stop. I've done a little bit of research where I think the best stop will go, and I think it's here at 16.57. So very simple, simply click buy the market and we will then be in the trade. There we go, please wait, and we're in. Our entry is slightly above the market price, that's because of the spread, but because of where the stop is, I'm not too worried. You know, I still think this is an undervalued cryptocurrency and we're going up. Now let's go and have a look at Litecoin. So now we're on Litecoin. Again, I'm going to put the same amount in and then show you just how simple it is to buy. We again will need to find a stop loss for this. Once we've taken these trades, guys, I will pause the video because I'm not sure when we're going to see the profit. You know, I'm pretty certain we will see the profit. This could take an hour, could take a couple of days. So I just put the stop loss in here and again buy the market, and then we should be in this trade. Very easy to take the trade. We'll come back once these trades are in profit and see how we're going. Okay guys, so we're back here. A couple of days later, these markets have been going sideways, but as you can see, Litecoin here, we've finally made some profit. That's where we bought it, and we're up here on Litecoin. We're about 20 quid up with Litecoin, and if we go and have a quick look at Ripple, again, we're about 50 quid up here. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to take the trade, how easy it is to take some profit. I'm just going to close these out. So, you know, ultimately we made about £74 just over a couple of days. Excellent little trades, and you know, I still think these are going up, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to open and close trades here on MT4, as well with AVA Trade, who are, as I mentioned, a brilliant broker. Very easy, and I highly recommend. Okay guys, to sum up, we've looked at AVA Trade. We've seen how easy it is to deposit money. We've seen how easy it is to make money. We've taken trades on Ripple and Litecoin, and if you check the balance before and after, you'll see that we've made about £70 on those trades. Ripple and Litecoin, two of the most exciting cryptocurrencies out there at the moment. I would recommend you go and have a look at them. I do believe they're pretty undervalued. So if you are looking to make some money, these are certainly the ones you want to be doing some research on. For the moment, we'll call that a day. Thank you very much for watching. Please click subscribe if you never want to miss a video again. For any other questions, please leave them in the comments box. I'll be sure to answer those. But for the moment, we'll wrap that up. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.